Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to activate Game Launcher on this device. So firstly we have to reach the settings, so let's do it. And now let's scroll down until you will find advanced features. Let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down again until you will see the Game Launcher. So this option will organize all your games all in one place and access extra features to enhance your gameplay experience. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher like that, and from now on the Game Launcher has been applied to your device. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the Game Launcher in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.